there! I'm the letter A. I can move my eyes. Watch! Hee, that was fun!
Today I will teach you the things that start with letter A.
A sound is A. A for apple. A for airplane. A for horn. A for arrows. A for angry. A for alligator. A for airports. A for alphabet. A for astronaut. A for ambulance. A for apple juice. A for X. A for apron.